India, a beautiful traditional cultural country with its 28 states, raises high above the lands. Yeah, that's just a simple trick. I'll show you a better magic trick. Whoa, what I got here? Some invitation card, I guess. Look at that. We are gonna go and see the states without going to actual states. It's gonna be incredible. So let's start traveling. What a grand entrance. Good. There's a lot to go through. Himalayas. Himalayas looks actually incredible. And there's a lot to see inside. Right. Good evening. Oh, grand entrance. This is the model of Taj Mahal. Very good model. That's incredible. And this, I think this is the Red Fort to go to. Wow, this is gonna be a lot to travel.
Such as steam kebab, rogan josh, and keema. Nice meeting you.
Satyameva Jayate, yes. The spinning wheel. Yeah, good evening.
This is a beautiful and traditional, energetic dance form of Gujarat. It is performed especially during Navratri, a 9-day festival all over India. Here we place an earthen pot with a lamp inside. It symbolizes life, growth, and renewal of life. They ask the goddess to forgive their life and forgive their sins throughout the year and ask them for a new life. Thank you.
What is it called?
Garba.
Oh, okay.
Gujarati food is known for its perfect mix of sweet and spicy flavors.
You know, even if I see all the monuments. Huh? Sabarmati. Gandhi ji, are you in there? Statue of Unity. Gir National Park. I just noticed something. The Statue of Unity is shorter than the Taj Mahal over there.
It's just a model representation.
I take it. What is special about
The Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world, rising at 183 meters. It was built in memorial of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. He is known as the Iron Man of India because he united more than 560 princely states back into India. The statue rises on the banks of river Narmada in Gujarat.
That's incredible. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you know the speciality of each fort? Oh, okay.
This is the longest canal in India, Indira Gandhi Canal.
What is? Oh, Indira Gandhi Canal. Okay.
These are the festivals of Rajasthan. Gangar festival, Dil festival, Marwan festival, Amal festival, Holi festival, Elephant festival. With this, the key places of elephant. With this, the key places of camels. In this, the
people of villages, they will dance on road.
That's incredible. Yeah.
Kamangadi Ram Ram.
Kamangadi Ram Ram. In Rajasthan, they used to show puppets,
National Park,
and people will earn some money and
So this is a puppet show. Okay.
So government set us up some national parks and sanctuaries. Now let's explore some. Desert National Park saves the Great Indian Western Ranthambore National Park saves tiger. National parks Sariska Tiger Reserves, Shikamata National Park saves deer and flying squirrel. Ram Ram sir.
Okay, thank you. The Wagah border. Yeah, they're having difficulties. But it's alright. That's so incredible to look at. What? We don't care about wars, we care about music. The Kurukshetra war. Golden Temple. Where is it? Huh? Punjab. That's very nice. It's a very nice one. Haryana, special for the Kurukshetra war which just happened and they're all retired. Yeah. What? Oh, Air Forces. That's nice.
This is the mini museum of land, sea and sky.
Okay, that's good. That's nice. Time to travel inside a Wagah border. Never expected to go inside Wagah border because it's not allowed in reality. We came to Pakistan and from there we came. Dubai. Do we? I'll say they incredibly designed that structure. That's very difficult to do it, you know, with the Arabic language. Yeah, that's actually so good. There we are in Dubai Museum after a Pakistan Wagah border, and there's a lot to see. The Dubai frame, that looks incredible. What is the speciality of this? Do you know? The speciality of this? Future. That's it. From India, we came to Pakistan. In Pakistan, we came to Dubai in just seconds. And we had to go straight. Wonder what is there here. The Lok Bhavan. What states will it contain? It will contain Gangabad, West Bengal, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh and Sikkim. Oh, this ancestor. There are a lot of states to go. Let's go in. Wow.
Total 36
Wow.
Indravati. It is located in
There are a lot of things to see in a table.
Which rice crops can grow. Iron ore, diamond, coal, and limestone. Chhattisgarh means 36 forts. The word Chhattis means 36 and Gad means forts. It is also known for its tribes. We are the Gond tribe and they are the Bangal.
Namaskar to the animals found in India. And this is the Chitrakoot waterfall, the Indian anthem, which falls from the Indravati river.
Okay.
We have basic chiller and we have some drinks, that is selfie and teakwood sherbet. And for snacks we have some beer, farah and we have bars. So for these desserts we have beer rodi and kurma and tilgur laddu.
This is the famous drink in Chhattisgarh. Every people will drink. Even tribes also drink.
What is your favorite out of all of those then? Huh? Okay. What about yours?
So I would personally take Bakori.
After National Park is also named as
Fire.
Indravati National Park is a significant protected area named after a river called Indravati. And Shangir Valley National Park is a 200 square kilometers national park in Basta district.
Jai Shri Ram, the Ayodhya. Oh, what? That is so good. Ayodhya Ram Mandir, that's actually so incredible and very high. That's a very good temple to see.
Dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is located in Karwal. Rivers of Uttarakhand.
See them? See them. I met you. Hi, bro. Hey, welcome back. Yes. And welcome back, Sai. After a long time, welcome back to the YouTube.
Thank you.
See, his honor days are never forgotten. I visit almost half of the states there. And it's side age, we have a problem. You know why we're not going to many states? Because it takes a lot of time. Even if we want to show how many states are in this small area, it's still taking a lot of time. So you're the partner in the crime. You're helping me, and you're taller than I thought. Yeah, you're helping me with half of the states. So go to the other side of the world and just do it. Take it. This is Sikkim, and even looking at it like a small state, it has a lot to see through.
The state of Sikkim. They got famous food of Sikkim. And that is the famous monument in the Sikkim.
The accent also is like that in Sikkim. Hi, bro.
Sawadika. Welcome to Thailand.
Thailand.
I am a Thai teacher and I'm going to do some basic sentences. Sawadika means hi, greeting you in the most formal way of the Thai language. And Yindi Tanram means welcome to.
What is role? What is the role here?
It's a Buddha temple. It depicts Buddhism. The special feature of this is the dragon, which tests its property. It become more inside.
You know, your Buddha. Turkish ice cream in Thailand. It should be in Turkey. Why is Turkish ice cream in Thailand? Plus,
Ice cream nawala.
a lot to see too. You know, I'm too lazy to stop and look at everything, so I'll just take it a little bit and go.
Good evening, brother. This is Assam Station. I'm taking TVs for you to have a wonderful tea and grateful tea and with high rich flavor.
Kaziranga National Park, which is also in Assam. There are a lot to go. Can't see through a lot. There are so many people.
And their cultures are also famous.
And just finish it off. How's our bridge? As the sky sets, we set in the Malabar coast. The Kerala houseboat. Have you said you went to Kerala? Have you ever gone into a houseboat?
Yes.
Is it incredible?
Yes.
What is this? Huh? Shabra. House. The state of Kerala. Looks small, but a lot of be there.
The grandest festival celebrated in Kerala is Onam. It is 10th national festival. It is the annual homecoming back of their most revered king Mahabali. Its culture is unmatched, including because of the intricate floral designs and which are used to invite the king. And next is on a Sadia, the legendary grand feast. Over 25 vegetarian dishes which signifies the abundance of Kerala. And next, but not the least and the most awaited part, Vallam Kali, the snake boat race.
Okay.
Onam's famous boat race.
Okay.
That is, it shows the unity among all the people and also it signifies the collective teamwork and team spirit with hundreds of horsemen rowing in unison. So I hope you understand a lot about the Kerala, including the various temples and the visuals. So this is the Sri Padmanabha Swami temple located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, and it is known as the world's richest country. It is devoted to Lord Vishnu in a reclining posture of 18 feet and it's visible through 3 doors. One word, Vault V, remains sealed due to an curse and it is believed that it is secured by Nagabandhan. Thank you.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you for visiting our Kerala.
Yeah, I like it. This Hampi, and I see these in photos and they actually matched it. Welcome to Egypt. I am welcomed with nobody except the mountain. What? You look incredible.
I'm the queen of this Egypt. My name is Cleopatra VII. And I'm the king of this Egypt. My name is Pharaoh.
Assalamu alaikum means good evening in Egyptian language. These are the pyramids of Giza. They are one of the most oldest and most famous structures in the world. They were built thousands of years ago along the Nile River. The main purpose of the Egyptian pyramids were royal tombs protecting the pharaoh's body. After religious texts were added into the walls of the pyramids.
You can explain. Look at this. The last area we are gonna go through. Side area. It's nice knowing you. Bye bye.
Let's go.
I thought you'll go.
Yeah.
I went out, but okay.
Let's see the Charminar.
The Charminar.
The famous Charminar.
There's Maharashtra. Everything in small models, but show a lot of tradition, culture, and spirit. Look at that. Odisha. A very detailed temple. It's actually so detailed. Very great architects. Like, look at the road in Thermocol. The one who did this took a lot of time. Think about the ones who make it in reality. They will take months.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah. The state we are visiting is Andhra Pradesh. Telangana. The only state we came and we are here, Telangana. Veyi Stambhala Gudi, which is in Warangal. Osmania University, a very good university. And there are many people just sitting at the bottom.
In 2005, Usha his first international match in 2005 and later became home ground for Sunrisers Hyderabad in IPL. Then over the years, the stadium has grown up into a major cricket center.
Batukama that legislative, I don't know what is it called. I think it's the assembly house. And Ambedkar Secretariat. I did go on there. It's actually a very good place, you know. There you can see a lot in India.
Good morning.
The temple. A lot of food. That's why we say we like Telangana, because it has 100 kinds of food. In Telangana we like food. Australia is a country as well as a continent. And
I can lift it. I can lift it.
it's Uluru, which sounds like it's from Andhra Pradesh, but it's in Australia. Don't get confused. And this is all. And don't forget about the World Cup.
ICC World Cup.
ICC World Cup. Quick question: how many World Cups did Australia got in cricket? ICC cricket.
3.
No, a lot. It's I think 7. And then very opera house. So from this corner, you can see a lot of things, lot of people, lot of culture, lot of tradition. It's immense. Now we are looking at one of the dances. I don't know what is there. What is a dance? But there is a dance happening, which is so far silent.
Yeah, it's a start.
They're gonna start soon. To the culture, let's go back and just take everything in one take. Let's go take a travel of everything. The Wagah border. My favorite is also this one because of how well they designed it. The India Gate, the monument, the Himalayas, the bridge of the passing, going to the bridge, and the boats. And this is where our trip back to start ends. What do you want to say to end this?
So, I guess you enjoyed this International Day.
I am back. So what Saitija actually meant to say is that it's not whether it is big or small, but it's how well they execute and how they show those traditions and cultures, which I'm saying they did a very good job, and kudos to all those people, teachers. They did an amazing job and represented India in a very beautiful way. So I hope you like this video. If you do like it, smash that like button and I'll see you next time. Peace.